Good evening, everybody. We are here in the pit of despair. I know it's been a couple weeks since I've put any videos up. Apologize, guys. I was very sick last week. I mean, real sick. Down for the week. We were going to start back on the barn this yesterday, Wednesday, but it was raining so hard up here. We just, my brother-in-law was here to help, and he's going to be my hands for a while and my legs till we get this thing finished. But so anyway, we're going to start that when the weather's cooperating. So we're back in the pit of despair tonight. I thought I'd just start maybe a fun project. I got a piece of rough sawn black cherry here I cut on the mill a while ago, long time ago. It's nothing special, just a scrap piece, but some of these timbers have been sitting for a while now, a lot longer than they were supposed to before doing the work on them. And regular chalk line's all well and good, but I want a little bit of a finer line, something a little more accurate. So we are going to make ourselves a Japanese ink line. Probably be a couple videos, you'll have to excuse me, but I'm still only able to kind of be up for so long. I'm still on crutches. I'm using that peg leg in here right now, and to be honest with you, out here using that thing, it's a bit of a death trap. So I got the boy out here with me, helping me out. We're going to be sweeping the floor and all that good stuff. And so stay tuned. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll catch you on the other side of it all.
Also want to see you cut that. Holy crap, what is happening?
Now, this is one more evening in a summer of shit that just is not going well, I can tell you that. My last bandsaw blade I had on hand just snapped when I turned the bandsaw on. It's my fault. I should have rolled it once or twice to make sure it was good, and I've actually, I've never turned my bandsaw on before and just had that snap. And, well, I guess I could tell you why. This bearing on my bandsaw is seized up. Tight as a friggin' drum. Just great. Absolutely phenomenal. What the frig else is going to go wrong this summer? You know, between broken bones, not being able to work, don't have a lot of energy to get a lot done. Trying to be positive. I'll tell you what, guys, and I know a lot of my viewers have it much worse than I do. I can name a half a dozen off the top of my head that are in dire straits right now, so I shouldn't really be sitting here whining because I have it pretty damn good. But we're just going to keep plugging away, guys. I was trying to get you something decent tonight. It's not working out the way I wanted it to. But I've got to keep getting videos out there, because when I don't, everything, all my rankings, everything just drops. But plus, you know, it's good to let you guys know I'm still alive and I'm still here trying to do this stuff. But
still breathing.
Still breathing. But we're getting there. So anyway, look forward. I've said it before this summer. Look forward to timber framing videos soon. My brother-in-law has started to help me out. We were going to be working on it this past Wednesday, but it was pouring so hard that there wasn't anything getting done. But he has materials list for me. He's got what money I had set aside for it, and we're going to get this thing wrapped up. So hopefully we'll be getting some good stuff out for you guys soon. But anyway, basically, I guess the point of this one, guys, say hi, see how everybody's doing, let you guys know how I'm doing, vent my moment of frustration to you folks, and just continue on with life and get through this. I go back to the doctor's August 14th, and I'm really hoping I will be cleared for weight bearing. That would be awesome. Right now I'm still hopping around on this iWalk here and there and my regular crutches that are in here somewhere. So unfortunately, till we're weight bearing, that's what we have. But anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. Sorry it wasn't spectacular content tonight, but we will try to remedy that, and I will see you on the next one.